Alright guys, today we got a quick game here. We're going to play Highnoon. Cowboy, I guess Old West Sheriff versus Bandits kind of game. I think it's kind of cute that this Undertaker comes out and takes care of these bandits. Level 1's pretty easy. I'm not even sure the guys like shoot back at all. You usually just line up a diagonal shot and wait for them to walk into it. Oh, I got at least shot. Oh, funny, I think that bandit killed the other bandit. I didn't kill that guy. Ooh. Okay. Like how I have a machine gun though, it's pretty cool. Music's not bad either. Hopefully the audio actually works today. Huh. I don't have to tap the button, I can just hold it down. So if the bandits do get into the bank, they'll come out with some money. Oh, the level is over. Level doesn't end until the Undertaker clears all the bodies. Oops. Yeah, so the bandits will go in the bank, come out with a bag of money, or they'll go in the saloon, they'll come out with some women that they're just stealing or something. It's a little bit uncomfortable making. There we go. The song sounds like a cross between Oh and the Saints and just some random thing. I actually don't remember how this really works, so I'm just gonna tap the button and hope I don't die. I think you're supposed to wait till he goes for his gun and then press the button, but I think I always just jam the button. And if I remember right, I think the difficulty spikes almost immediately. Start getting guys on horseback, people throwing sticks of dynamite. So we'll see how long I last. Yeah, here it goes. I'm keeping this Undertaker pretty busy. That guy's fast. Oh, there's significance to the different colors either. Actually. I don't know how I missed. Got him. Stop. These guys are like a little bit slower than me. So I can like sort of catch up to them if I try hard. Ooh. Feels like that bullet could have got me, but it didn't. Yeah, got him. So there's definitely a question of, is this game as hard as I remember it, or did I just suck as a kid? So I remember not being able to keep up with the bandits and then like taking money and stuff all the time. I also remember hiding in the saloon a lot. Which is a thing you can do. Don't think it's a good strategy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the bandits can kill each other. That's pretty funny. I just see no reason not to be filling the air with bullets. That did it already? I don't see any more bad guys. Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing there, but whatever I'm supposed to be doing, I'm doing it. Yeah! Okay, I see 4 people in the upper right corner. Presumably supposed to be my lives. Man, that guy's fast. Oh, that's a dynamite guy. Okay. Yeah, these guys are getting faster. I think this is a dynamite guy too. Oof. Oh my gosh, I got bullets flying through me. I feel like I'm cheating, but I don't have any cheats on. Dynamite guys don't shoot when they're running towards you. It's good to know. If they did shoot while they ran towards you, that would be kind of scary. Because they're fast and it'd be hard to outmaneuver them. Oh, I missed. Got him. I don't know, I guess this game isn't as bad as I thought it was. It's playable. The fact that there's a variety of enemies is pretty cool for a Commodore game. Like different attack patterns I actually have to adjust for. Waiting for all the bodies to get cleared is a little tedious, but it's some of the charm of the game too, so I guess I won't complain. Anytime, man. Anytime. What, did the game crash? Do they have something that, like... Interesting. I don't know what happened there. They have like an anti-jamming the button. Ooh, there's people hiding in the windows now? Oh. I'm a little bit curious about whether I can shoot the people that are in the bank. And I don't think I lost a life from the bonus draw, so I guess I don't care too much. Just gonna keep shooting into the windows until I get one of these guys. I don't think I can kill the guys in the windows. I think they're just hazards. Yeah, that green guy's a new behavior. Just fast, basically. He just rode right into that one. Surprised I didn't die there. Okay. Don't mind me, I'm gonna go hide in the saloon for a bit. Sure, it's the bonus draw. Okay, so I'm not gonna jam the button, I'm just gonna wait for his gun to come up. I don't think I'm losing a life, I think I'm just not getting my points. Ooh. I don't know if I've ever made it to the cave before. Like, I know what it looks like, but I don't know if I've ever made it to it before. So, wait, I just slaughtered a bunch of them. I'm just gonna jam the button again because I don't know. I don't... I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing. There's a bunch of dead bodies, I didn't clear the screen. Oh. Yeah, I thought this was going to be a quick game. I thought, okay, I'm just going to play this game, I'm going to get my butt kicked, I'm going to be done in like 5 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. I haven't even actually lost a life, just can't figure out how to win the bonus draws. So I guess if you're reasonably good at a video game, then this game's not hard. In fact, I think... I'm wondering if... if these like 5 levels loop, because none of these guys are using, oh, I guess shooting, but none of them are using dynamite, and there's no horses, there's no people in windows. So I think we're in a loop. And just maybe they're faster? Yeah, I don't know. Here, I thought this game was like way too hard, but I must have just been terrible at this game as a kid. Or whenever I played it last. Whatever's coloring my memory of this game, it's not really that hard. I should let a guy get into the saloon so you can see what that looks like. No, I wanted you in the saloon. Okay, so is that... You guys are obsessed with that bank. Oh, I finally died. That's cool. Yeah, so you can see they grab a bag of money and run. What? Wait a minute, what? How's it the bonus? Wait, and it did say first wave, so it did loop. It must have just like upped the difficulty level and then... See, I don't understand. The first couple levels I played, I was able to just jam the button and I won. Okay. Yeah, I can't even imagine playing until I run out of lives. It'll take forever. Because what do we even have? We just have the dynamite guys, right? Oop. Oh, I got shot in the head. So maybe I'm... I wonder which, Is the level on a timer? How come there was 2 people still alive and when I died, it got me to the end boss? Even with my machine gun, I missed the horse guy. If I could remake this game, I'd change that sound effect. The hitbox is actually fairly forgiving. It seems to not kill me if it hits like just my feet or the hat or something. But yeah, this game lives in the same headspace as Chiller does, because they were on the same disc at my house. I don't remember what other games were on that disc, but these are the 2 I remember. I missed. Oh, watch it. Could hurt someone. Well, I'm running out of interesting things to say or do. I didn't even see the bullet, but I saw him wag his gun at me, so I think that's fair. I don't know, maybe I'll die off here before too long. I did notice that this game was made by Ocean Software. Ocean wouldn't have meant much to me as a kid, but, you know, as a grown-up and knowing more, I know they were pretty big. I feel like they were pretty big in the UK, weren't they? Boom. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Got that guy. Oh, I see you, Undertaker. You took the money from the bank. It's not your money. Boom, 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 boom. Pow, 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 pow. Bang, 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 bang. Boom. Boom. Blow up your own dead body. That's what you get. Yeah, the game is a little slow. Hard to go back to the speed of game nowadays. Missed. Got him. Yeah, I saw that bullet coming. I didn't get out of the way. That's my fault. The colors don't seem to mean anything. Fascinated by the bullets basically coming out of my head. It's like I'm Superman, but I've got bullet vision. Yeah, I guess he just jammed that button. I don't know what was going on. A couple times where it didn't work. Oh boy. I think the horse guys are probably the most deadly to me, because... Well, I mean, I could focus on dodging, but I was like busy trying to shoot some guys who are on the ground, you know? That's okay. I'm trying to lose my life so I can move on with my life. Boom. 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 I'm gonna be more efficient with my bullets. There's a lead bullet shortage for some reason. So there's this crazy sheriff that keeps using up all the bullets. So, gotta be more conservative. Oof! Pull that bullet out of my body. Give it to the next sheriff that comes in. He's gonna need it. Okay, finally I died off. Okay, that game's not as bad as I thought. Just a little slow-paced. That's it. I gotta get going for the day, so I'll see you guys